So here we have secant squared x and tan x. So let's go ahead and start with our most important equation, equal to 1 divided by cosine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta. So this is going to be tan squared theta plus 1 equal to secant squared theta. Alright, so we're going to replace secant squared x with tan squared x plus 1. So this is going to be tan x minus tan squared x plus 1 over tan x. So let's go ahead and we'll multiply this way. This is tan squared x minus 1 multiplied by tan squared x plus 1 divided by tan x. So I'm going to multiply this way and then multiply that way. So this is going to be tan squared x minus tan squared x minus 1 over tan x. So you can see that this is going to cancel this out and we have negative 1 over tan x, which is going to be negative cotangent x.